are going to
Ma'am,
solution of linear equation. Yes, what happened?
ma'am, I have tried this type of question with Laksh.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
This is finished in school.
Yes, ma'am. This one is finished, but uh, ma'am, we both completed the half chapter
Okay.
together, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, good. So solution of linear equation means that value of x and y which when substituted in this equation will make this equation true. Suppose I substitute x equals to 3 and y equals to 2. What I'll get? 6 plus 6, that is equal to 12. And what is RHS? RHS is also 12. Okay. That is equal to RHS. Okay. So that means x equals to 3 and y equals to 2 is solution of this equation. Okay. Now, suppose I substitute x equals to 0, y equals to 4. If I substitute these values here, okay, 2 into 0 plus 3 into 4, so 0 plus 12, that is also equal to 12. That is also
Yes,
coming
ma'am.
equal to RHS. So this is also a solution of this equation. X equals to 0 and y equals to 4. Or we in coordinate system, we write first x, comma, then we write 4. So 0, comma 4 is also a solution of this equation. Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, question arises, how many solutions are possible for any linear equation? Do you know the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, yes. What is the answer?
Ma'am, infinite.
Infinite. Okay. So, linear equation in two variables have infinitely many solutions. Or this you have to remember. A linear equation in two variables has
Ma'am,
yes, infinitely. Yes.
ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, this can have a decimal solution also.
Yes. अब is it clear? This statement is clear. Linear equation in two variable has infinite many solution. और भी solution हो
Yes,
सकता
ma'am.
है वहां पे. अगर हम 6,0 पुट करते हैं 6,0 तो आप चेक करो 6,0 यहाँ पे क्या होगा 2 into 6 12 plus 3 into
Yes,
0
ma'am.
0. So this is also a solution. So this way we can find there are actually infinite solutions which are possible for any equation. So now example 3.
Yes.
Find 4 different solutions of this equation x plus 2y equals to 6. Okay. So suppose I put 4 different solutions निकालने हैं. x equals to 0 पुट किया. ठीक है. x equals
Yes,
to
ma'am.
0. अब यहाँ पे अगर x 0 पुट किया तो y क्या आया?
Ma'am, 3.
y
3.
equals to 6, y equals to 3. So first
Yes,
solution is 0, 3.
0, 3.
Okay. Now suppose I put x equals to 2. So it is 2y. 2 plus 2y
Yes,
equals
ma'am.
to 6. 2y equals to 6 minus 2. Or 2y
Ma'am,
equals
4,
to 4.
2.
Y equals to 2. So next
Yes, ma'am.
solution is 2, 2. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now suppose.
Ma'am, 4, 1 can also be there.
Yes, 4, 1 can also be there. Suppose I put x equals to 4. So 4 plus 2y equals to 6. 2y equals 6 minus 4. 2y equals to 2. Y equals to 1. So 4, 1 is another solution. Okay. Now
Ma'am,
suppose I
6,
put x
0.
equals to 0. Right. X equals to 6. If I put x
Yes, ma'am.
equals to 6 plus 2y equals to 6, or 2y equals to 6 minus 6, 0, y equals to 0. So it is
0.
6, 0. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is 0, 3, 2, 2, then 4, 1 and 6, 0. These are
Yes,
all
ma'am. Ma'am,
solutions.
yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now, solutions. 4x plus 3y equals to 12. ओके सो एक्चुअली जब भी ऐसे 2 सॉल्यूशंस निकालने तो एक बार x को 0 पुट कर दो, y की वैल्यू निकाल लो, y को 0 पुट कर दो और x की वैल्यू फाइंड कर लो. These are 2 easy ways to find 2 solutions. Okay. And for further more solutions you have to put 1, 2 other values also. एक बार x की वैल्यू 0 पुट करो और y की वैल्यू निकाल लो, y की वैल्यू 0 पुट करो और x की वैल्यू निकाल लो. Do this yourself, then I'll discuss. Yes, what are the solutions?
Ma'am, 0,4 and 3,0.
Okay. Okay. So x equals to 0 when we'll put y equals to 12 upon 3, that is equal to 4. When we'll put y equals to 0, equals to 12, x equals to 3. So this way we'll get 3, 0 and 0, 4. Okay. Second one, 2x plus 5y equals to 0. Find 2 solution for this one also. 0. So suppose x is 0. So 2 into 0 plus 5y equals to 0. So 5y is also 0, y is 0. So first solution is 0, 0. Next, suppose x equals to 1. So 2 into 1 plus 5y equals to 0. So 5y equals to minus 2 or y equals to minus 2 by 5. So this will be 1, minus 2 by 5. So these are the solutions. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next part, 3y plus 4 equals to 0. Find 2 solutions of this one also.
Yes, ma'am.
In this type of question where there is no x, what we'll do? We'll find the value of y. Y is minus 4 by 3. Now, x की कोई भी वैल्यू हो, y की वैल्यू minus 4 by 3 ही रहेगी. So for writing various solutions, we can write 0, minus 4 by 3, 1, minus 4 by 3, 2, minus 4 by 3, 4, minus 4 by 3. Y will always remain same and x can take any value. This will be the answers.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Question number 1. Which one of the following options is true and why? Y equals to 3x plus 5 has unique solution, only 2 solutions, or infinite many solutions?
Ma'am, infinite many solutions.
So C option, infinite many solutions, will be correct because this is a linear equation in 2 variable. Its standard form is this. Okay, so it has infinitely many solutions. Question number 2. Write 4 solutions for each of the following equations. So
Yes,
2x plus y equals to 7. Okay. So find 4 solutions for
3, 1, 1, 6, 0, 7, 2, 3.
Okay. Okay, 3, 1 is correct. 1, 6 is not correct. When x is 1.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 5. Sorry, 1, 5. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 0, 7 is correct. And 2. Okay, this is also correct. What about you, Yashvi? Find किया कुछ?
Ma'am, I'm not getting this.
ठीक है, x को 0 पुट करो. x को 0 पुट किया तो y की क्या वैल्यू आएगी? 2 into 0, y equals to 7. तो first solution is 0, 7. When x is 1, 2 into 1 plus y equals to 7. So y equals to 7 minus 2, that is 5. So it is 1, 5. When x is 2, so 2 into 2 plus y equals to 7. So y equals to 7 minus 4, that is equal to 3. So next solution is 2, 3. Then when x is 3, so 2 into 3 plus y equals to 7. So y equals to 7 minus 6, that is 1. So it is 3, 1. Okay. So these are all answers. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 5 and 0, 7. There can be many more answers. We have chosen, we can even choose negative value also. X equals to minus 1 भी choose कर सकते हैं. So minus 2 plus 7 equals to -2 plus y equals to 7. तो y आ जाएगा 9. तो -1 comma 9 is also solution. This way there can be many answers. One like 4 answers, 4 possible answers could be this. Clear है?
Yes, ma'am.
So when x is
Ma'am, may I?
x is 0, y is 9. एक solution तो ये हो जाएगा. x जब 1 है,
Ma'am, 0,9.
हाँ, तो y हो जाएगा 9 minus pi. When x is 1,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, तो ये हो
Yes, ma'am.
जाएगा 1 comma 9 minus pi.
9 minus pi.
बस ऐसे निकालना है बाकी सारे.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we any 4 answers you can note down, because we want only 4 solution. -1 भी put कर सकते हैं, +1 भी put कर सकते हैं, 2, 3, this way 0, any number you can choose for x and find the corresponding value of y. इसको एक easy way और ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो. पहले y को x के टर्म्स में निकाल लो. y equals to 9 minus pi x. अब x की वैल्यू 0 पुट की, ये यहीं पे सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दो 0. Okay, put when you are choosing x equals to 0, substitute this value here. Y will be 9. X equals to 1, substitute this value here. So it will be 9 minus pi. When x is 2, it will be 9 minus 2 pi. This way you can find all the values. Yes, Yashmi,
Yes,
I am waiting.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I tell the
Count. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, Yashmi, you have also found.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I found 3.
Okay, so पहले 1, 2 answers you can say, then remaining 2 he will say.
0, 0,4.
0 when x is 0, तो y भी 0 ही होगा.
Yes.
x की वैल्यू 0 है, तो 4 and
Ma'am, 1,4.
1 comma 4. When x is 1, y will be 1 by 4. y क्या होगा?
Yes,
y is equal to x upon 4. From here we can
Yes,
write
ma'am.
y equals to x upon 4. x जब 0 है तो y भी 0 है, x जब 1 है तो y 1 by 4 है. Okay? Yes,
ma'am.
Manav, you tell me next remaining 2 answers.
Ma'am, 16,4.
When x is 16, y will be 4. ठीक है, x को जब 16 पुट करेंगे, y क्या हो जाएगा? 16 by 4, that is equal to 4. So 16 comma
Yes,
4.
ma'am.
Okay. Then next
12,3, ma'am.
12 comma 3. Okay. When x is 12,
Yes, ma'am.
y will be 12 by 4, that is equal to 3. Okay, this all are
Ma'am, 8,2 and 4,1.
8 comma 2. Okay. 4 comma 1. Okay. These are also correct.
Yes.
Question 3. Check which of the following are the solutions of this equation and which are not. So equation is x minus 2y equals to 4. Okay. I am giving you a few minutes. You can try all the solutions, then we will discuss. First one 0 comma 2. When x is 0 and it is 2, y is 2, it is minus 4. It is not equal to 4. So
Yes.
this is not a solution. 2 comma 0. When x is 2, y is 0. 2 is not equal to 4. Okay. Third, 4 comma 0. When x is 4, y is 0. 4 equals to 4. So yes, this is a solution. 4. 2 comma 4 root 2. So it is root 2 minus 2 into 4 root 2. That is equal to root 2 minus 8 root 2. That is equal to minus of 7 root 2, which is not equal to 4. Fifth one,
Yes,
1 comma 1. When x is 1 and y is 1, it is equal to minus 1, which is not equal
Minus
to
1.
So no, this all are not solutions. Only this one is a solution.
Yes, ma'am.
Find the value of k if x equals to 2 and y equals to 1 is solution of this equation. So So we have to find the value of k, and x equals to 2 and y equals to 1 is solution of this equation. So what we'll do, we'll just substitute the value of x and y. Okay. So this is equal to 4 plus 3 equals to k, or k
Ma'am,
equals to
7.
7. Okay, this is the answer.